Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is going to be a monochromatic pink makeup look. So this makeup look, you can use it for any attire that has pink hues. You can also use this makeup look to do makeup for a reception party where you wear a pink shaded lehenga or so. You can also recreate this look with any other colors because this is very easy to do so. And today I'm taking pink because it goes with many attires of us and many occasions, such as dinner dates, reception party makeovers, some guest makeovers, or it's just a casual makeup as well. So without any delay, come, let's get started and create this look.